Hi everyone, this is Ami Diamond from Sharpened Wizard. In this episode, I'd like to show you new functionalities that are in the Microsoft Forms. So I'm in the homepage, the new homepage of Microsoft Forms. You see there's a new layout. We can see some templates, and I will click on a new form. Now I will choose a rating. So up until now, we had the possibilities to define the number of levels and the symbols. So we had the stars and we had the numbers. Now let's see that we have many other options. So first thing is stars, and we can define how many levels. So in this case, I chose 10. It could be 5, whatever I want. Second possibility is a number from 1 to 10. Next one is heart. The next one is a ribbon. And the next one we have is a thumbs like. And the next one is a smiley face. That's cool. We can use flags and we can use trophy. And the last one we can use is a check mark. So let's demonstrate all of them one by one. So first question will be a star question. Let's duplicate this. Second one will be a number. Let's duplicate this. Next one is the rating, and we will choose a heart. Next one is a ribbon, and the next one will be thumbs up and a smiley face. Here we have flag, and the last one is light bulb. We haven't seen that. That's cool. And let's go on. Trophy and checkbox. So that's really nice, and you can be very creative and choose what you want to do. So if you like my video, subscribe and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.